இவர் பெரிய லோகேஷ் கனகராஜ், இது ஒரு பெரிய சினிமேட்டிக் யூனிவர்ஸ். ஷோ
Why there is so less attendance today? So as discussed in the previous class, today we guys, how many types of housing you know? Oh my god. You don't know that class is going on there? Keep silence.
Oh my god, who are these people? Nobody is there in the class.
What is this nonsense? Madhav, this time is very serious. Students are not at all serious, and every time there is some events are going on, and this time is Inyan. I will tell you, this time you have to write a very serious script. Serious means serious.
ईशा, ईशा, जोसा का रिजल्ट आया या नहीं? एक बार चेक तो करो कौन सा कॉलेज आया है।
Hi, I'm Isha, architecture student who just joined in SPAV after 1 year long term. I just love the campus. Late night walks here just hit different. Me here in SPAV, far away from home, it feels like a movie scene, very surreal. Everything feels so calm but alive, you know? It's like the whole campus is breathing with me. It already feels like home.
I'm excited to see what college has in store for me.
Hello everyone, welcome all new young minds. I'm your new teacher for the Basic Design Studio. It's always good to see a new students around here in the campus. So guys, today we are going to do an assignment called the metaphor. In this assignment, you need to select one metaphor which can describe you and your journey. So all of you take out your sketchbooks and notebooks, whatever you have with pencils or pens.
First day of college, and boom! Trauma hit me. My sketchings are so bad, even my mom thinks of disowning me.
मामा गेस क्या है? ये क्या बना डाला तूने? ये लंगूर है क्या? नहीं नहीं, जिराफ तो नहीं है। नहीं तो इसके आगे के पैर हाथी जैसे और पीछे के डायनासोर जैसे क्यों दिख रहा है? पर इसका मुंह लोमड़ी जैसा क्यों दिख रहा है? क्या बनाया है तूने? इस ग्रह का प्राणी तो नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे। ये रहने दे, तू डांस ट्राई कर, स्पोर्ट्स ट्राई कर, गाना गा, गाने के क्लासेस लगाए। ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा, तो दूसरा कुछ ट्राई कर।
Ma'am, I was just checking ideas, ma'am, for the assignment. Very nice assignment, ma'am. Really loved it. Just checking ideas. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, my one sketch is completed. Can I do 3 more?
And obviously, there are these annoying toppers
Thank you, ma'am.
who are from a different planet. Ignorant Picasso, who doesn't even know the rest of us are just trying to survive here. Oh, and by the way, I made a friend. This lady's sketches are worse than mine.
Can you take a picture of me and this picture? Art piece.
But her confidence, next level.
Please.
Okay.
I want to post on Instagram. My head, this picture, in the same level. Now once.
One more?
Oh yeah, please.
What even is that?
This is my chicken.
Sorry.
Take a picture. Actually, your drawing is worse. Nothing is there. Hey, take more pictures, okay? Please. Are you my fan now? Actually, can you share me the pictures?
I don't have a WhatsApp.
I'll share you. I'll share you. Sure. What's your name?
And there's this super annoying thing called the Wall of Fame, where the teacher picks the best works and displays them like they belong in some art gallery. Honestly, I'm just jealous because I want to be there up too. But I kinda don't like the idea of picking out the best works. But yeah, I mean, maybe because I'm not on it yet.
Hey, excuse me. Take your dirty hand away from my art.
My drawing was
Your drawing was bad.
Listen, Ami. Last time was a mishap, okay? But this time we're going to rock it. Yes, yes.
Hello students, today I'm very excited to say that we are going outdoors to Undavali caves. And there you need to sketch the monument at different angles. Understood?
Amma, hello. Mama, do you know? I became the first again in the second assignment. Yeah. Yeah. Everyone appreciated me. Mama, everyone was standing in front of me like I was a star. Bollywood star. Oh, Mama. Yeah, some snakes that. know, Mama. Yeah, I'll come as the topest. Ah, I don't know, some dogs are trying. Oh, Mama, I'll call you later.
I'm actually going to die. I can't do this anymore. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Are you actually going to die?
Yes.
Can you give me a ticket?
T-scale? Not me. You want T-scale? Ami, I don't think I'm fit for architecture.
I'm going to be the greatest architect of the country and work for the welfare of the society. Don't be angry. You know, you're also going to be the greatest architect. Let's figure it out. Hey, why don't you come to the class?
I don't want to come.
What happened?
I'm gonna switch now. I'm not coming back. What is the assignment?
So our last visit to Undavali Caves was really fun. And now coming to the next assignment, we are going to select, you have to select any iconic building and represent one key element or part of the building that symbolizes its architectural significance.
Sketching, no? I can't do it. I'm switching now. I'm gonna go animation.
What?
Watch me. I'm going.
So, see, there's a seminar. Attendance. Come.
I'm switching.
See, design communication is about communicating what you want to others to understand. You're designing to convey what you want to convey. It need not be very direct, it can be indirect. And there are many methods. You can do by sketching, you can do by talking, you can do by modeling, many softwares. You can do even physical model also. These many methods are there, and it is not necessary that all of us are good in all forms of communication. Even I am not good at sketching. Earlier, when I sketched something, others were not able to understand anything. Now even I myself don't understand what is that sketch. And some people say if you don't know sketching, then you have language. What is language? That too English. P-U-T put, B-U-T but, S-H-U-T shut. So there is no consistency. I know Singlish, you know Singlish, but many people doesn't know Singlish. So don't believe in language communication also as the next supreme method. You can have other means to propagate and communicate yourself.
Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you. Get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. I put up,
over time, we bonded and we laughed at how immature all of us had been. We were fighting like it was some kind of school drama. Later, my sketching improved. Yeah, yeah, now at least the people can recognize what I have drawn. So, yeah, 3 years passed like that. It was like magic. But whoa, what fun we had.
हॉस्टल का जीवन रातों की मस्ती ढेरों के ढेर न कोई कसर बाकी खींचते तरंगे रंगों की बस्ती दोस्तों के साथ हर पल खूब मस्ती रात की जागरण आंखों में नींद रीड और प्लान्स बनाते रहे यहाँ सेक्शंस की बातें माथा चकराए एलिवेशंस में खोए दिल भी मुस्काए एलिवेशंस में खोए दिल भी मुस्काए गुरुजी का लेक्चर दिल ना लग पाए 5 मिनट के ब्रेक में चाय ही रह जाए डेडलाइन का टेंशन सबको सताए पर दोस्तों के संग हंसी मजाक चल जाए रात की जागरण आंखों में नींद कहाँ रीड और प्लान्स बनाते रहे यहाँ सेक्शंस की बातें माथा चकराए एलिवेशंस में खोए दिल भी मुस्काए एलिवेशंस में खोए दिल भी मुस्काए मीटिंग्स की गहमा गहमी हर दिन नई कहानी स्टूडियो में मेहनत जीत और हार पुरानी संगी साथियों का साथ दोस्ती है आम इन पलों की यादें बनी रहे हमेशा तमाम.
Enough fun for now. Now all of you know that next semester you need to go for internship. So kindly go and work upon your portfolios.
Then started the rush to make portfolios and searching for firms to join internships. So obviously, we asked the seniors for suggestions.
Internship, join a small firm. You'll get to learn more.
Join a large firm. You'll get exposure to larger projects.
Want my advice? Escape Vijayawada, go to Goa. Life will be set.
इंटर्नशिप ऐसी जगह इंटर्नशिप कर जहाँ काम भी ना करना पड़े और सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल जाए. अबे
इंटर्नशिप एमएनसी में कर ले, पे भी ज्यादा मिलेगा और सीवी भी हेवी हो जाएगा.
Join a firm that doesn't care what time you leave. 9 to 5 works the best.
And then we asked our faculty.
PT. I pity PT. Practical training has practically taught me a lot what to do and what not to do. There are students, when I was working in training also, there used to be trainees who used to do all sorts of things in the office, whatever they don't have time to do in their homes. It is the craziest thing on one hand, but it is the best period of the year, best period of your life, where you will be doing everything for yourself, whatever you have not done to yourself till practical training. All the best for training.
Internship. So you'll think that you're going to design a lot of revolutionary buildings. So cute. I can only promise you two things. One is experience. The other one is back pain.
Internship, huh? Well, it's like a roller coaster. After you start, you'll enjoy it for a while. Then, midway through, you will question your entire life's existence and why you are existing in this situation at all. And gradually, as you start becoming accustomed to it, you will realize that you have entered the dungeon called adulthood, from which there is no return.
Internship. So you're finally going into the real world. Here, college is a really comfort zone, wherein if the internship is a reality check. Here, small mistakes are okay, but there, it will cost you time, money, and moreover,
bangings from your boss, which will make your life really miserable. Postponements are okay here, but their deadlines don't wait for us. Here it is a redo, but there it is a demolition. You think facing the juror is a really hard task, but there, I tell you, you need to face the client that will be a real nightmare for you, wherein you think that the jurors are far better. Don't think much about it, just go with the flow and enjoy the 4 months. All the best.
After all the trials, I made into a decent firm. Me and Ami thought of working in the same firm, at least at the same city, but it didn't work out. The day I left college in Army was a very different feeling. A strange weight pressing against my chest, a silence I didn't even know I feared. Saying goodbye to Army felt heavier than I ever imagined, like leaving behind a part of myself. And I know, I know, I'm only leaving for internship. I'll be back in like 6 months. It's not forever, but still, I don't know why it feels so heavy. Maybe it's because Ami's been more than just a friend. She's been my anchor, my constant. I guess it's hard to let go of someone who's been there through everything, even when you know it's temporary. But it's funny, isn't it? You spend years in college thinking it's only about learning, assignments, and just hanging out with friends. But when you step away, even for a little while, you realize it was just so much more than that. It wasn't just a phase, it was a whole life I built, a version of myself I grew into. I used to think the hardest part would be exams or submissions, but no one warns you that the real test is letting go. As the streets blurred past as we drove away, and I couldn't stop replaying every moment I let slip, every joke Ami cracked that made my day better, or like every time she stood by me when I was struggling, every little moment we took for granted. Regret feels so different when it's wrapped in friendship. It's not sharp, it's soft, and somehow that hurts even more. I feel strong but weak at the same time. Like I've grown so much, but I'm scared to lose what made me grow. College didn't just teach me things, it changed me. It made me better, even when I wasn't paying attention. But now it just feels like I'm leaving more than just a city behind. I'm leaving behind who I used to be. People who helped me find myself. I know 6 months isn't forever and I'll be back. But this moment, this feeling, it's something I'll carry with me. Because I know every goodbye, no matter how temporary, leaves a little mark on your heart.
Isha,
Yeah.
you said you're gonna switch to animation. Are you really gonna do that?
See, Ami, if I switch to animation now, the country will lose an amazing architect.
So for the welfare of the society, I have to stay back. Get up.
See, where you tell me about your chicken.
Don't curse my chicken. My poor chicken.
Party chicken.
you wake up, man,